Hello, everyone, and welcome to NeoTrader Super Trader Series. And today I have with me Prasanth Gokhale. And yes, he has been in the markets for more than 20 years. He has been working with Capgemini for 12 years, but that does not stop him from participating in the market on a regular basis. Yes, he's been there in the market for 20 years, and right now he is in Paris, but then time difference or age difference or the market difference, it doesn't matter. What matters is his passion, and he is with us today because he has been exploring NeoTrader, seeing various aspects of NeoTrader, and right now he is enjoying trading with NeoTrader because it is building his confidence. He's been there for 20 years, and these 20 years have taught him a lot of things. But now that learning, combining it with NeoTrader, he is able to do wonderful things for himself. But then I do not want to say it. I want Prashant himself to share his experience and tell the audience exactly why and how he's using NeoTrader and how is he enjoying the experience. Over to you, Prashant. Please share with the audience how are
Yeah,
you using NeoTrader and what exactly do you do with it?
yeah. My name is Prasanth Gokhale. As Raja sir introduced that I am working for Capgemini and right now in Paris, but I am trading for last 20 years, and my passion is not ending because I know that in markets, if you fall 100 times, if you will learn more and you will stand up again. So I have made a huge losses in last 20 years, and I learned all the means I have seen all the market actions happened during elections, during budget, during any attack or any in any country something is happening. So I have seen all those phases, and now I don't have any fear during my trading as well as during my study. So I always take my last 20 years experience as well as now I have purchased a NeoTrader to guide me. So I just see my study as well as NeoTrader's recommendation. I go to the charts as well as I also think that NeoTrader has suggested the correct stock. Previously, I was picking up the stocks, but I was waiting for a big corrections. But now, with the help of neo traders, I get correct entry and I know where will be the correct exit or where to stop or which sector is currently in focus, and out of 10 if recommended which we have to focus and which we have to attack. So that helps me to improve my profits and to get more uh, return on capital with the money I am having. So my motto is to earn more with a small capital also. So sometimes you may make 50,000 also with a capital of 1 lakh. So 50%, 60% is also possible if you go in the right direction and if your trade is right, and if you just hold that trade for 3 4 days, then it may give you 50,000 also. So I experienced that. So now I am confident to use Neo Trader as well as my own study. So I do trade in intraday also in options, Nifty options, and I generally trade with the mathematics. Means I don't see the charts. I generally trade with the mathematics of 1 month. So I just check 1 month movement of the market, how market is moving intraday, how much points it's moving, and then I decide my one trade or two trades in Nifty options. So I generally trade Nifty options only. Bank Nifty, I know it's a very confusing as well as it's stop loss hitting script. So I don't trade Bank Nifty at all. I like Nifty options as well as now I'm concentrating fully on delivery based trading because delivery based trading ultimately wins over intraday trading. Intraday trading, you take only 2,000, 3,000 bucks or max to max $5,000, and that script runs after 2 3 days with a big gain. So in delivery, you can wait for certain period and you can have a big profit on your investment. And for that, I am using Kotak Securities as well as Astha trading platform, which give me leverage option. So I take the advantage of that, and I always now invest in delivery based trading with a big quantity. So I, even though it is in my demat, there is no worry. And NeoTrader is a fantastic for positional as well as for multi-day as well as for investment ideas. So I like it very much, and I already purchased it in advance for 1 year, even though my 3 months period package is not over. So now I am going to continue NeoTrader for my lifelong journey for markets in future.
Thank you, Prashant. That was very insightful, and you definitely gave the audience how you are going about using NeoTrader. So now, if whenever you open NeoTrader, which is the first page you go to?
I go generally to dashboard. I
Okay.
check the sector
Okay.
as well as I check the ideas which are in positional trades. So I check the ideas and sector, and I know now whatever ideas shared by NeoTrader 1 or 2 days back or last week, that will work now. So if I am having the quantity of that script, I add more quantity after I looking into the stock if it is gaining more than 3 to 5% on a particular day. So I know that now momentum has come to this script and it will hit the target in a day or two or max to max 3 4 days. So I always stick to dashboard and looks dashboards 4 or 5 times during the day as I am working. So during the day, I look dashboard 4 or 5 times, and then always I am having the delivery in my bucket. So I increase the quantity if the script which is suggested is getting momentum or increase on a particular day in a dashboard.
Okay. So whenever they come into the dark green side of
Yeah,
the
correct,
dashboard, you know
correct,
that there is a momentum building. So you
correct,
add more to the position.
correct,
So that's
correct.
a nice strategy which you are having. That's
Yeah,
very good. So that's what. So NeoTrader is, it's a intuitive way. Anyone can use it in any form. So whole
correct,
objective of NeoTrader is to help you take a decision. And
correct.
if I may ask, you have been trading for 20 years. So how has NeoTrader, impacted your trading journey ever since you have taken it?
Now, basically, I was intraday trader only for last 20 years because I was not believing, means I was thinking that intraday trading is more beneficial than delivery trading, means you
Okay.
can make a big profits. But it is not the case because intraday is intraday and you always have a profit on one day, loss on the second day. So if you count, there will not be consistency for 1 year continuously if you trade daily, and you have to spare the time, you have to keep watch on the market continuously. So if you have any urgent meetings or urgent work, then your mind will be always diverted to the market till your trade is going on. So all that things are there in intraday trading. And also when you make a big loss, there is an impact on your emotions as well as your family behavior, or means all are these things are getting impacted, and you are not coming out of that, and you will be always in a thinking mode, means how I will recover my losses or how I will, what I have to do to improve. So instead of that, I followed a one single technique which is taught to me by one person who I am following. So
Okay.
he taught me that whenever any script corrects 10 to 15%, you have to take a position. So I am just applying that method. I am doing my homework daily, even though I am working in the night. Sit for 2 hours in front of laptop,
Wow.
and I see all the charts, all 50 charts of Nifty. I have a look. Before that, I am not sleeping. My sleeping time is 12 a.m. in the night. So it is my practice to sit minimum 2 hours daily and to see all the charts. And whenever any scripts comes 10 to 15% down, I enter that script in Nifty stocks, because I know in Nifty I will get my price anytime, even though my stock will be stuck up because of any reason, say any calamity or anything happens across the world. And if I stuck up badly, but Nifty stock will come up and it will make a new high after maybe 3 4 months, that I am sure. So I preferably trade in Nifty stocks, and that gives big rise also. So my good trades were in Britannia, then Bajaj Finance, then Tata Steel, then all these trades I have made a correct entry, and I book quick gains on a big quantity. So I like trading in Nifty, but now because of the NeoTrader, I started to trade other than Nifty stocks, which are from mid cap. So now I am having a confidence that a NeoTrader is behind me, and it is having all experience of Dr. C.K. Narayanan of last 45 years before recommending the script. So that script, even though we take, danger will not be, means we have a path and we know that this script is going to outperform, and we have a stop loss also, and we have a target also. So I have seen the success ratio also of positional trades, and that was a fantastic, means as per the time period, all the scripts were hitting target 2 to target 3 in a given time period. Even though that script don't perform for 10 days, in last 20 days I have seen in recent trades OFSS, then I have seen Persistent, I have seen HDFC Bank, I have seen ICICI Prudential. All these script have completed 3 targets, and today they are above their 3 targets, and running more than the 3 targets. So now I am 100% confidence that if I stick to positional, and if I concentrate on that, and if I take the advantage of leveraging, which is a good thing, because now I have bought Page Industries. Page Industries is of 38,000 rupees per share. So one cannot buy by paying full amount. So I have taken the advantage of this leveraging, and I bought 10 quantity in just 40,000 investment. So I am having 10 shares of Page Industries in just 40,000. And if that target is achieved of 3 to 5,000 rupees, then I will make straightway 50 to 60,000 on my 40,000 investment. So that was a big advantage of a neo trader,
Awesome.
to suggest mid cap scripts, which are sometimes your Nifty scripts are sideways and mid cap scripts are running fast. So you have to take advantage of that. So now Neo Trader is there. So I am not afraid of taking the position because of the Neo Trade.
Very good, very good. So now you have made a choice, you have made a style, and you are implementing it on a consistent basis. So that's very nice. That's the whole idea. So NeoTrader gives you many styles of operation.
Correct.
You just have to
Correct.
choose one style and you have to implement. So if I were to ask uh, any trade in which you have made a decent gain, so what would that be?
Uh, in my options trade, Power Grid has given me always a decent amount. So Power Grid was a good script.
So can you share that amount with the audience?
Yeah, Sun Pharma is a good. So I will share with the audience my latest trade, which I have taken on Monday,
Yeah.
last Monday, and I booked on yesterday, Friday.
Okay.
So in 5 days, I booked my 75% quantity. I am still holding. So I
Okay.
will share that Sun Pharma trade screenshot, uh, which I have taken.
Okay. So how much money also you can tell the people you would have
Yeah,
made?
so I had taken a 500 quantity of Sun Pharma.
Wow.
I invested 1,50,000 for 500 quantity.
Okay.
And yesterday I have booked uh,
Very good.
18,000. Eighteen
Okay.
thousand I have booked, and I have kept 150 quantity, and that I will now book for third target or minimum second target.
Very good. Very good. Very nice to see that you're following the levels. Like you mentioned earlier, NeoTrader is designed by a veteran of 45 years of experience.
Correct,
So you're not wasting time to you know disregard the experience and the levels which are coming, and
correct.
you're using the levels very well. That's the whole
Yes,
idea. So
yes.
nice.
And,
And in your analysis, which you do on a regular basis, how have you been using NeoTrader in that?
uh, actually, that analysis I was means doing for only Nifty stocks.
Okay.
So I generally see the Nifty stock chart. I see
Okay.
the correction,
Okay.
and I see the some chart patterns like double top or double bottom or
Nice.
resistance, as well as I see the diagram. Means if I
Right.
see W pattern or M pattern, so W
Yeah.
pattern is my favorite. So when I
Okay.
see W is forming in the
Yeah.
chart, then
Right.
I always enter that script, because it gives you indication that now it has
Correct.
stopped the downside and
Yeah.
it is going to go up.
Nice.
So I just keep invested, and I for Britannia was my fantastic Britannia. I purchased at 4,600 at bottom, and I sold at 5,200. Uh, I
Wow.
bought 100 quantity, and
That's
600 rupees gain in just 20 days.
wow. That's fantastic. Actually, fantastic.
Yeah, yeah.
So best way for you is to just take these stocks, put it in a Nifty 50 stocks are already there. You can
Correct.
keep the rolling ticker open. And
Yes.
in the rolling ticker, any movement in Nifty 50 happens, you can go for your
Yes.
particular stock.
Yes, yes. So NeoTrader is the best thing. Only thing, you should have a big capital, so you can enjoy the NeoTrader in all the ways. Means you can also, you can short the options, or you can write the
Yeah,
options against directional. Means if option trade is given, then you can write the options and just sit back, or
yeah,
you do the various trading in various ways. Only the
right.
capital is required.
Yeah,
That is a main thing. So you can do positional, you can do multi-day, you can do option, you can do
yeah, yeah.
intraday. So
Your
all
trader is like a multi-cuisine restaurant.
yes,
Yeah, you can
multi-cuisine.
eat choice of you can eat food of your choice.
Yes,
सारा
correct,
खाना तो
correct,
नहीं खा सकते, बट
correct,
एटलीस्ट कुछ तो जो आपको पसंद है वो मिल जाएगा.
correct. And I like the neo traders approach, that now I have not seen such big profits. Like in options also, I was supposed to book 2K, 3K like that. But because of the neo trade, I booked 15K in Tata Motors, 20K like that profit. So I was so happy that in options also I am very much happy with the neo trades. Means sometimes if the calls will perform no in a 2 day, 3 day fashion, then it will complete all the three targets in all the days, and then you
Yeah,
will get a maximum profits.
correct. Like
So
you
because of
mentioned,
because currently the market condition is not like that. It is moving slowly. It is not moving in one direction. It is moving in one direction, but it is not completing the target. It is coming back, going up, coming back, going up, and therefore it is confusing, and it is at a very high point now.
yeah. So when markets are at a very high point, sometimes you will definitely face a challenge. But
Correct.
then that's why we also provide the stop loss,
Yes.
and we are very transparent with the stop loss, as you would have seen. Even if it
Correct.
hits by a point,
Yes. Correct.
the settlement is flashed.
Correct.
So we want
Correct.
to keep that transparency as far as the momentum is concerned. And
Yes.
you don't have to be afraid at all, because if there
Yes.
is momentum and if price is moving, then a trade will appear.
Yes. And
And
now I
you,
have decided that in my P&L account, there will not be a single raid. That I
wow,
have decided in my mind. I will
wow,
not book a single raid now henceforth. So therefore, I have started delivery, and I have decided that now I will make my delivery trading, and I will make my capital up to 20 lakh or 40 lakh, so that I can enjoy in delivery trading. Means I can buy 1,000 quantity, 2,000 quantity, wait, and then book a big profits. Because I am now full confident that delivery trading will give me minimum 20, 30, 40% return monthly
okay,
on capital. And Kotak Securities and these people are providing a nice facility, means leveraging on any quantity, means you can buy 10 shares also, or you can buy, you don't have to buy future lot, means
okay,
you can buy in parts at the various prices. So that is a nice advantage, because in future you have a big lot and you can buy at a one price, but in delivery you can buy 100 at one price, 100 at another price. So that is a big advantage.
nice, very good. Nice to see that you are confident. आपके 20 years के बाद you are enjoying it even more. That's the whole
Yes.
idea. What NeoTrader wants, that everyone who comes to our community comes with their own style of trading and makes it even better. So nice to see that you have grown, and I'm sure that in the months to follow, you will have
Yes.
a very more pleasant experience, because we are doing a lot of things at NeoTrader. I conduct a lot of workshops. Do take some
Yes.
time to attend that and
Yeah,
ensure that
I
you.
have attended the your Fibonacci workshop in the morning.
Okay,
I liked it,
okay,
and I have traded that also. On the
okay,
same day, I have traded that also. So I
nice,
like that also. Open high, open low,
for sure,
that Fibonacci. So I
right,
started. But when I will now retired, means now I am having my 4 years of service. So when
okay.
I will retire, I will have a full time. So I will be a full time then trader.
Yeah, then you
I will
start
not,
trading, like you said,
yeah,
all the areas of NeoTrader. Awesome.
correct, correct. And then I will have my room, then my laptop, and 9:15 to 3:30, nobody will disturb me. So
Yes,
I will not have any meetings, or I will not have any work, or
absolutely.
so I have taken a decision of buying new trader at the right point now. And once I use it for next 3 to 4 years, after 4 years, I will earn a big, that I know, and
Yeah,
I will
definitely.
stick to now my delivery style only
Yeah,
in
yeah.
a
I'm
in
very
a
confident that.
positional play.
Yeah, I'm very confident that you will do well. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Prashant, for sharing your time. And it was lovely
Yes.
interacting with you and getting to know your journey and your experience. And I'm sure that I'll be connecting with you again when you hit
Yes.
your 20 lakh capital and
Yes.
find
Sure.
out what you did with NeoTrader and how we helped you reach there, so that then you can set your next milestone. I don't know
Yes.
what, but then you will
Yes.
have one milestone by then.
Yes. Yes. Sure. Sure.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Prashant, for your time. And we'll
Yeah.
connect you in the next one. And thank you
Yeah.
for sharing your opinion.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye.